everyone, and welcome to Love Jones. You guys, this is our channel where our family shows you love. I'm Crystal, and this is
her daughter.
Yes, you are my daughter. You want to tell them your name?
They already know my name, Mom.
They do? Maybe they don't. Maybe some people, it's their first time watching our channel. Rain. Okay, don't put your hands on your face. We're cooking. So, this is Princess Rain, and today we are going to be making a 2-layer cake. It is going to be strawberry and red velvet. Now, guys, I don't know how this is going to work out, but I had to try it because I was like, seemed like a good idea. So, we're going to start off by mixing our first cake mix. Rain is here because she is going to be helping me to get all of the ingredients mixed up. Obviously, it's not rocket science because, you know, it's a box cake. We keep things nice and simple for when Rain is helping me, and honestly for me too, because I am no master baker. So, Rain, now we need to put in 1 cup of water. So could you pour this into the mix?
Oh, yes, sure.
Go ahead. Be very careful. Good job.
I'll be ready.
And we need 1/3 cups of vegetable oil.
Okay.
Good job. And now we need 3 eggs. Mommy's gonna do the eggs because we wanna make sure we don't get any shell in our eggs.
Yeah, because yesterday I did the eggs and I cracked it and then I put it on the table, so.
Yeah, you're still practicing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do the eggs.
Yeah, it's okay. Mommy will do the eggs.
I know.
So 1.
And then a 2.
Well, we need 3.
Oh, 3.
2.
2. 3.
3 eggs. Okay, and now it's time to mix it up. Here you go, Rain.
My turn to do that.
Yep, so go ahead and mix it up. Be very careful, you don't want it to spill out of the bowl. We need all of the mix.
Yeah. And everybody, you know how do I challenge? It's good when you're mixing or cooking with your family.
Yes, it's fun to cook with our family.
Because we have to be nice and good. And good and well for our sweeties. So that's how it's supposed to be. I'm done.
You did pretty good. Let me just make sure we got all, okay.
All the way.
I was just gonna say out the sides. So I'm going to grease our baking pan. What are you doing? Did you touch your face?
No.
We're going to grease the bottom of our baking pan.
First she's cleaning them. She's cleaning them.
Well, I'm greasing them.
What's that?
We already cleaned it. See, I have the grease and I'm putting grease on it to make sure it's not going to stick. Okay, and now we're gonna pour this in.
Oh, wow. Need help?
I think I got it. Okay, you're gonna help. And we go ahead and we fill it up.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven.
Well, first we're gonna do our other mix and then we're gonna put it in the oven with our red velvet cake.
Oh, I can like put it like that.
So, good job, Rain. We're gonna pour this in.
Wait, all brown.
You know why it's brown even though it's red velvet?
No.
Because red velvet a lot of times has cocoa in it. Cocoa. So we need 1/3
Like cocoa from
the show you like?
yeah, from
Family Reunion?
yes,
Mhm.
like chocolate. I know. I'm just gonna say chocolate.
Okay, you just like seeing chocolate. Look how red it's turning.
Yes. I just did like the and then you did it too.
Well, while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grease our cooking.
Mommy, let me tell you something.
Yes, I'm
This
listening.
is the same thing. Daddy, look at it. It's turning red. It's Can we do it 30 minutes?
Oh, how long do we put it in the oven?
Yes.
I gotta look at the instructions.
It doesn't have the minute. So good.
It's so pretty. It's so bright red.
I didn't know it was going to turn red.
I know.
My
Okay,
name
you
is
guys.
Alexa, and I'm here
Alexa,
to say
stop.
I'm the baddest AI in the cloud today.
That was very interesting. Okay. So we got the cakes in the oven. We'll be back when they're done. Alrighty, everyone. So it is day 2 of our cake making process. And that's because Rain had to go to bed. So I let the cakes cool while she was sleeping. Mr. Handsome is in the background saying no for no reason. I guess because he's a 2-year-old. And now we're going to transfer our cakes onto our spinny thingy so we can decorate. We've already made sure we washed our hands. Ugh. Came out nice and easy. We're going to turn it over. And now we're going to put some icing.
That one
in.
is strawberry.
Well, this one is strawberry.
This one's strawberry.
Mhm.
And that one is...
It's the red velvet.
And this one's the red velvet.
Yes.
So I'm going to do the decorations. But Mom's going to do the icing.
Okay.
Because it's going to be so messy.
Is it going to be so messy? Hopefully not. Mommy's not necessarily the best
Wait, you're not
decorator.
you're not the best decorator?
No.
Who's the best decorator?
I don't know. I like watching that guy on TV. You know how we watch those dessert ones sometimes?
Yeah.
What's his name? Willie or something like that?
Oh yeah, Willie, yeah.
Is that his name or is his name John?
I think John. Oh yeah, John.
Wait. Roger.
Roger, yeah, right.
Oh, no. It might be Joe?
Joe, I don't know. What are you talking?
Girl, you just keep changing names. I change names.
Wait, what are we doing with that?
On top.
Mom! I don't think that's enough. No. Wait, that's a... Oh, yeah, that's... Oh, this is going to take some good.
Make sure our hands are nice and clean. Oh,
It's not the birthday party.
you can sing happy birthday if you want.
Oh, yeah, you can. This my brother. He's 2.
Ricky, you want to come tell everybody hi? Okay, come on. Sorry, Ray.
It's okay. I didn't say how. Come here, Baba. Say hi, everybody. He's coming. Say hi, everybody. This is my cute little brother. He's the baby. He's a baby. Well, he has a lot of things showing. Rick, you want to get down now? Rick, you're pushing me off. He said hi.
Okay, Missy Hanson. Thank you for saying hi.
Excuse me, Ricky. Dad, can you scoot over? Can you tell me to get off?
Okay, Mr. Hanson. Go sit back down. Finish your lollipop. Missy Hanson, go finish your lollipop. Thank you. Rain.
Now's my job to do.
Time to put some sprinkles.
Yes, so excited. So good to do spring.
I'll spin it for you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Don't touch it.
Okay.
Okay, we won't be sharing this cake.
Oh, fine.
Because, Ray, you just stuck your hands in it.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Mama! Somebody can eat it.
Well, the Joneses can still eat it.
What? Maywater. Mine. My name is mine. Guys, what into our cake. It's nice.
Yes, our cake is nice.
I didn't thought I'm gonna make this cake. It's so nice. Oopsie, Daddy. I'm out of the picture, guys.
Okay, you guys, so we finished up our cake. It is nice, it is lovely, and we are happy with it. We are new to the cake making business, but I think for our first time around, like really trying to make a, decorative nice cake, I think we did a pretty good job. You think we did a good job, Rain? I think we did a good job.
Yeah, I think we did a good job. Yeah, we did.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to our new Love Jones channel, and we will see you next time. Okay?
In the next video.
Yep, in the next video.
In the next cookie cake and all those.
Whatever video it is. Yep.
Good.
May you like the cake?
I like this one.
Mr. Hanson, do you like the cake?
Yes. Why are you doing another photo?
So they can see you eat the cake. How you like it. That's yummy.